Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you an enhancement to the CAPEX and RFE expense flagging and quote approval workflow in FM Dashboard. To get started, open a work order and navigate to the quote that requires review. View quote for approval. Previously, if you flag a quote as a CAPEX or RFE expense, the system would redirect you back to the work order summary page after confirmation. You would then need to navigate back to the quote to approve it. Similarly, if you approved the quote first and then needed to flag it as CAPEX or RFE expense, the system would return you to the work order summary page, requiring additional navigation to complete the remaining action. With this enhancement, users can now complete both CAPEX or RFE expense flagging and code approval in a more seamless workflow without unnecessary redirects. This update reduces clicks, improves efficiency, and makes the quote review and approval process easier to complete.